Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Mod Garage. It's been a minute since our last upload, for sure.
Yeah.
But we're trying to re-kick this channel and upload a lot this summer. I'm Brody. You guys haven't seen me on this channel before, and I have a couple cars that you guys are going to see in just a couple seconds here.
Yeah, I'm Noah. You saw me in our first video. Well, the few of you that watched the video probably. Yeah, we're going to be getting this channel fired up and doing some cool stuff.
Yeah, so we'll start with a little update, what's going on, and then we'll get into some stuff and see where the day goes. Alright, what's up, guys? It's my gem here. It's a nice RX-7 Vert. This is going to be the donor car. It's going to give its heart to my other FC over here, but we'll get to that, don't worry. We got a little nice exhaust mod. Lots of rust. Nice Ontario car. But if you come over here, I'll show you the goodies. So this is what we're going to be taking from this car. And really just the block and, I don't know, a lot of the accessories, I guess.
Yeah, as you can see.
Yeah, this thing's seen better days for sure.
This one is missing a little something in here.
Yeah, and this is going to be the new project, so we got a nice hatch without a motor or trans. It's already on coilovers, got all new bushings, but it's definitely still a little bit of rough.
Welded diff.
Yeah, welded.
Give me the drift missile.
100%. Yeah, it's definitely a little rough around the edges, but she's alright. The interior is pretty well together too. All painted up.
All stripped out.
Oh yeah. A quick hack. This is the best thing about a convertible vehicle. Ready for this?
Ready to go. Steering setup on this is also perfect.
Yeah, it's absolutely very.
Straight out of an airplane, you can go up and down on this as well as left and right.
Pitch and roll or pitch and yaw or whatever.
Yeah, perfect.
Alright guys, this is my daily driver. This is a 1993 Audi S4. They're commonly called Audi URS4. UR is German for first, so this is the first Audi S4 that Audi ever made. These are made in Germany. They're pretty hard to find, honestly. Mine's definitely not in the nicest shape. It's got a few blemishes up front here. This corner is taking an impact. It's on some newer 18-inch wheels, still running the winter tires. Missing some trim and whatnot, but not the worst shape, not the best. These cars, they're kind of weird. This is definitely a weirder motor setup. They have 5 cylinders in them, and this is something you don't see very often. So this is the old school 2.2 liter Audi 5-cylinder. It is turbocharged. It's got a massive wastegate on, or sorry, blow-off valve on it. Oh fuck, it is a wastegate. It's got a little snail down there. It's pretty much stock. It's got a few goodies, like a little catch can in here. We have a bigger intercooler on it. It's got all redone intercooler piping, but she's pretty stock, maybe putting out a little bit more power. Anyways, that's pretty much the engine setup. On the inside here, this thing's a manual. She's a 5-speed. It's got a pretty crazy looking dashboard. Like, it's got like a clock here, oil temp and oil pressure. And then in here, we've just got standard gauges, an old school Audi S4 logo, little boost gauge here. Yeah, so nothing special, definitely just an older Audi, but it's kind of cool, something a little different. And yeah.
Alright guys, so this is my 2001 Acura Integra. It's kind of my project slash daily. Got a lot of plans for this thing. Right now it's just on some wheels, coilovers, headers, exhaust. Don't look at that wheel. You don't need to see that at all. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's a little rough around the edges, but we got some, yeah, Type R wing.
Some of the other Calgary guys with the local stickers.
Oh yeah, I got the locals right here. Yeah, big plans for this. Want it to be a bit of a handling monster, some more power too. Clean up the body, and that's about it. Yeah, pop the hood open. Now here. The halo headlights too. Come on.
Yeah, where is it? You go to this one.
Yeah. Yeah, so nothing too fancy going on here. Just some headers, intake. That's about it.
Still got AC.
Yeah, it's still got AC.
Yeah, just a clean B18.
Yeah. All right, guys. So that was basically just a little walk around of what you can expect to see on the channel, the cars we're going to be working on, kind of just the projects that we have right now, and what you can expect to see more of in the near future.
Yeah, so obviously the daily drivers aren't going to get as much attention, but the RX-7 here is going to be the main focus for a little bit. And yeah, we're going to start getting to it and tearing this thing apart today. So yeah, see where it goes.